Why hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're doing Brahms Waltz from Suzuki Viola book number 2, tutorial and playthrough. If you want the playthrough, use the chapters below and skip ahead, tutorial. Ooh, this one was my nemesis when I was a student. Ooh, so much pain in my past, but let's not let that be you. So, I've broken down the difficulties into two main parts, bowings and fingerings. No surprises there. Let's talk about the bowings. So, we want to start on the D string, middle of the bow. Down for 4 counts, up for 2, reclaiming our starting spot on the up. Here we are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, I like to think of this as a trampoline. So we're going to bend our knees, build up our energy, and jump. Build up our energy and jump. We're going to sink into that trampoline and jump again, right? Woo! So same thing, down, and we have to almost like energetically lift that up bow to the starting spot again. Once we get that, then we have to do our string crossings, right? So it's going to be first two measures, D, G, G, D, D, G, G, D, like this. Once we get that, then we can get to part 2, fingers. So we have to do walking fingers a lot in this song. For the first two measures, we're going to start with D1, crossing over to G3, and back. That's it. 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. Notice that my 3 just walks over. My 1 is just staying grounded. It's not hopscotching. Alright. Throughout this piece, if you can keep your fingers down as much as possible, you'll be much better off. Measure 3 is really the next fingering issue. Like, what is this, right? Look at this. Grace notes, little tiny notes there. Alright, grace notes are ornamentation. They're extras. It kind of makes it fancy and special. Show off, if you will, you know. This is what measure 3 sounds like. Let's do the down bow part of that. So 2, 3, 2, ready, and again. Let's do the whole measure now. Again. Okay, so if you can find that graceful placement, you'll be awesome. The last thing, measure 4. Alright, this one is a tricky one. So we have D1, G3, G3, D3. And so what I like to do is I just put my fingers in between G and D. So 1, 3, 3, 3. See? It just stays there. So let me show you here. So we have... So I don't have to move my finger at all. Even though I'm playing across 2 strings. So figure that out if you can get that. If your fingers are too thin, you might need to sort of do a little bit of a pivot, just a little bit like that, and you'll be okay. Okay, time for the playthrough. We have moderato as our marking, so medium speed. 1, 2, 3. Let me know how you did. Nemesis defeated? I hope so. If you found value in this, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.